In this first scenario, imagine that you are sitting outside the exam hall or waiting for the test paper to be handed out. Your mind may be racing, your heart may be beating faster, and your body may feel tense. At this moment, the best choice is box breathing. Box breathing is helpful before an exam because it gives your mind a clear pattern to follow. You breathe in, hold, breathe out, and hold again for equal counts. This steady rhythm can reduce stress and help you feel more in control. It is especially useful when you need calm focus, not sleepiness. As we move to the next scenario, notice that a different situation needs a different kind of breathing support. Now let us look at a very different situation. In this scenario, you cannot fall asleep. Your body may be tired, but your mind may still be active. Here, the better choice is 4-6 breathing. This means breathing in for 4 counts and breathing out for 6 counts. The longer exhale helps the body slow down and relax more deeply. Unlike box breathing, which is useful for balanced focus before an exam, 4-6 breathing is more helpful when you want to settle the nervous system and prepare for rest. This shows us an important idea. Breathing is not one size fits all. The technique should match the goal. Next, we will see what works when strong emotions are involved. In this third scenario, you are angry after an argument. When anger rises, breathing often becomes short, fast, and tight. In this moment, coherent breathing is a good choice. Coherent breathing usually means breathing in and out at a smooth, even pace. This helps bring the body and mind back into balance. After an argument, you may not be ready for intense concentration, and you may not need sleep. What you need first is emotional steadiness. Coherent breathing can help reduce the physical intensity of anger so that you can think more clearly and respond more wisely. So far, we have seen breathing for focus, for sleep, and for emotional recovery. Now we move to a situation that combines nervousness and performance. In this fourth scenario, you feel nervous before speaking. This could happen before giving a presentation in class, answering a question in front of others, or speaking at an event. The suggested approach is belly breathing followed by box breathing. Belly breathing helps first because it relaxes the body and reduces shallow chest breathing, which often happens when we are nervous. It sends a signal that you are safe and helps release physical tension. After that, box breathing adds structure and focus, helping you feel steady and mentally prepared. This combination works well because public speaking often creates both physical anxiety and mental pressure. By using one breathing technique to calm the body and another to sharpen focus, you prepare yourself more completely. This leads directly to the key lesson of these scenarios. The key message from all these examples is simple and important. Different situations call for different breathing strategies. Your breath is a powerful tool, but the best results come when you choose the right technique for the moment. Before an exam, you may need focus. Before sleep, you may need deep relaxation. After anger, you may need emotional balance. Before speaking, you may need both calm and concentration. As you continue practicing, you will become better at noticing what your body and mind need. Then, instead of reacting automatically to stress, you can use your breath with purpose. That is one of the most valuable mindfulness skills you can develop.